What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back with another video. Now, before we get into the hair tutorial, as you can see, she's already on my head. I want to show you what came in the box. And today we are working with Supernova hair. What's gooch? Thank you for it. I hope when I do too much. So what comes in the box? This is actually mine. But we got a wig bag, satin wig bag, wig cap, edge scarf, elastic, the edge brush, and some lashes. So you got the whole look, you dig? You feel me? You got the whole little kit, so they definitely look out for you. Now let's hop right into it. So we are going to be styling this 13x4 loose deep 26-inch wig from Supernova hair. Now, as you can see, a lot of wigs that I've been getting sent lately have been looking like this on the inside. It'll be a little bit of lace down the middle, which will give you a nice cute little part, and then a little bit of lace on the sides where you can do baby hairs. And I find it very easy and beginner friendly for people who are beginner wig wearers. It's easy for you to get the wig together when it's not that much lace. So I do recommend these for beginners. And we are going to start off by just slapping this glue on like we do any other wig. Even though there's less lace, the install process is literally still the same, if not easier. Girl, I use this little eyebrow razor to cut off my lace, but make sure if you are using one of these, you want to make sure it's actually sharp enough and not dull, because mine was kind of just not really doing a good job. It was like spraying the lace. It wasn't good, but I made it work. Next, after that, we're going to take our handy dandy razor. And like I said, since we do have a little bit of lace on the sides, we can do baby hairs and make this look all come together. This texture is really cute. The hair was nice and soft, full from root to tip. Very shiny and healthy hair. So it was a good wig overall. Want my baby's hairs to last a couple days, I'll slick them with the what is it, got to be, because it just lasts a lot longer when I use that really hard gel. So after I was done doing that, I just sprayed the hair down and she was Gucci. What's up, love? It's the next day. And if you didn't know who I was, obviously, hold on, let me check. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Kiamani. I hope you can hear me because the air is on. So, I installed her yesterday. That's why my outfit is changed. But I really hope you can hear me. If not, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. This is where the hair hits me. I slept on it and that's why she's like not defined. But this is also a look. And you see how I finessed the hairline and it wasn't even that much, I was gonna say wig. It wasn't even that much lace on the side. So you don't even need, I have a hard time taking myself serious. You don't even need a lot of lace to get the frontal look. You know what I'm saying? I actually would rather it to be a little bit of lace because I just feel like it's easier. Especially with people who have been doing closures and trying to shift over to fronties / frontals. That's a good, you know, that's a good little that's a good little tease. I don't know what I was trying to say. I wish I had a water bottle so I could just spray her down. But I don't. Whatever. So this is the end of my video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I love you so much. Thank you to Supernova for working with me, and I'll see you on my next one.